The 2023 Ford Puma enters the ever-competitive crossover market with a striking new design, unparalleled versatility, and cutting-edge technology. Ford really went all out on this car, but not exactly all out. This comprehensive car review aims to get into the key features, safety, and overall driving experience of Ford's latest offering. With the bold and dynamic exterior, the 2023 Ford Puma is built to turn heads. Boasting a sleek and athletic shape, this compact crossover offers a perfect blend of modern curves and sharp lines. LED headlights, an aggressive grille, and a sloping roofline contribute to its sporty appeal. The wide selection of vibrant colors further adds to the Puma's charm and gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. The white selection. Let's talk about the white selection of vibrant colors. This car has different colors and they correspond, they go well with the car, you understand? And it adds to the Puma's charm and it gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. This car looks good on its own and it stands out when you're driving it, and you'll feel yourself that I'm driving in a Ford. But there's one negative thing I have to say about this car is that the side profile looks like a GLA Mercedes-Benz. If you look at it from the side profile, you'll see what I'm talking about after you watch this video, of course. One last negative comment I have to say about the car is the fake plastic side panels on the exterior of the car. Ford were cost effective on this car. They didn't want to go over budget, and I understand. That's what they always do. Every dealership, when they see that people will just have to live with it, they just put plastic everywhere. Mara, let's move on. The retail price of the Ford Puma is 569,900 rands. The Ford Puma, if you're looking to finance this car, it will cost you 14,937 rands for 4 years, which is equivalent to 48 months, without fuel and additional maintenance. And if you're looking to finance the car for 6 years, which is 72 months, the car will cost you 10,794 rands per month, excluding insurance and monthly maintenance and fuel. Under the hood of the 2023 Ford Puma is a 7-speed automatic 1-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine, which produces 98 kilowatts and 170 Newton meters of torque. The 3-cylinder engine has multiple power outputs, catering to different preferences. Paired with an advanced transmission, this engine delivers sufficient power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. I don't have any other negative comments to say about this car other than the plastic side panels and that it looks like a GLA Mercedes-Benz. Stepping inside the cabin of the 2023 Ford Puma, one is immediately greeted by a spacious and well-appointed environment. The high-quality materials, polished trims, and intuitive layout creates an atmosphere of refinement. Ford Puma's incredible fuel economy. This car's fuel economy is 5.3 liters per 100 kilometer. It's an efficient compact SUV made for city trips and outdoor adventures. In terms of technology, the 2023 Ford Puma excels. The centerpiece of the dashboard is an enhanced infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen featuring Sync 4, which offers seamless connectivity and an array of functionalities. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, voice commands, and wireless charging further enhance the overall experience of the Ford Puma. The Puma also boasts a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. This car is just Safety is a top priority in the 2023 Ford Puma. Ford has fitted this crossover with a myriad of safety features, including a comprehensive airbag system, pedestrian detection, forward collision warning, and intelligent speed assist. Furthermore, the Puma features a robust body structure, featuring outer high-strength steel, providing excellent occupant protection in the event of a collision. The Ford Puma's luggage space is 456 liters, and there's an additional 80-liter mega box which is included under the 456-liter luggage capacity. The comfortable seating accommodates both drivers and passengers with an ample legroom and exceptional support. This Puma also offers impressive cargo space featuring a versatile and customizable luggage compartment. The 2023 Ford Puma is a standout entry in the compact crossover segment, offering a compelling combination of aesthetic, technology, performance, and safety. With its striking design, luxurious interior, and innovative features, the Puma positions itself as a top contender in its class. Whether you're seeking a practical daily driver or a fun-to-drive companion, the 2023 Ford Puma is undoubtedly worth considering for its overall excellent and value proposition. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. And before you leave the video, please hit the notification button and subscribe. And shout out to us Grace Dehole at Ellen Just Ford Motors in Wonderboom Junction, Pretoria, for letting us review their cars. And if you need a car, go to Ellen Just Ford Motors and they'll hook you up.